here you can see at the art park, we have the village. At the village, we have our community kitchen. So the concept of community kitchen is actually, it is Thomas Zakaria, the famous chef, along with Goa Livelihoods Forum. So we came up with this concept of community kitchen in which people, our SHG women, self-help group women from all the communities, Hindu, Muslim, Christians, the Adivasis, the Saraswat, the only Garde family in Goa. So we selected this community people and we brought them together so that the world can experience the culinary skills of our self-help group women, and through food, as food also is an art, through food they can experience the soul of Goa. So this is the concept of community kitchen, because when we speak about Goa, then it is the communal harmony that is very, it is the essence of Goa. So from all the communities, and the communal harmony is brought through food at the community village. Response is very good. The first day we were little, because it was first day, then slowly when people came to know about this place and about the concept, the second, third day, weekend was extremely good, and each day there has been a lot of people coming, visiting, enjoying the food, enjoying the vibe here. We have so many stalls. These are our self-help groups from all across Goa. They have put up the stalls. These are all the local products they produce, and they make the handicrafts, the arts and crafts. They have brought it all here. So like kunbi. So we have showcased kunbi, the coconut shell item, the crochet which is so famous from Goa. Then the forest item, our fields, the brown rice, kokum, coconut oil, and so many other things you can see here. So the vibe is lovely and people are loving it. So at Goa Livelihoods Forum, it is our endeavor that through this platform, we give our self-help group women, our rural women, a platform at this Serendipity Arts Festival. As you all know, Serendipity Arts Festival is the biggest art festival in whole of Asia. So we are really thankful and fortunate to be participating here and giving our rural women the opportunity to earn their livelihoods, and they become entrepreneurs.